Hello guys, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Sir Mio's Garden. Sir Mio Vlogs is here. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Forever Rich plant or Ledeboria silver squill is one top little plant. The Forever Rich plant is another indoor plant that is known for bringing luck to the residents of a house. It is a succulent variety that originated in Africa and is distinctive because of its spotted leaves that have thin white spikes. Ledeboria socialis is one of the most widely cultivated bulbs favored by succulent growers. It grows up to 10 inches or equivalent to 25 centimeters in height or tall. Just a trivia guys, Ledeboria is named from Carl Friedrich von Ledebour from 1785 to 1851. He is a botanist who published, among other things, the first complete Russian flora. Socialis means grows in pure stands, dominant or growing in colonies, just like what we're seeing right now. The plants are colonies in terms of its position. Where to place this Forever Rich plant or Ledeboria socialis for you to attract more abundance, prosperity, and money. It's traditionally placed near the entrance to welcome success to the homeowner. Thank you so much for your love and support. God bless us all.